Now I want you to take a good look at this. Just calm down. By 2026, these 10 people will be replaced by AI. Make sure you're not one of them. See, don't watch this video. I don't want you to watch this video if you are what you're living in a cave or you're living in the bush, right? Because AI is not going to affect you, not inflict you, right? But if you're living in an urban area where you're living in civilization, please watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you know that you're not part of these 10 people plus bonus 20 people that are going to be revealed here that AI will replace them. Don't take this for a joke. Now, for me to be serious, let me review my serious face. Now, this is my serious face, right? This is my serious face. See, the first set of people that in the number one that AI is going to replace their job, manual content creator. So if you're a manual content creator, you create content manually, like you record yourself, like the way I'm recording now. That is the only thing you do, right? And you don't use AI because let me tell you something. Presently, AI can literally make you, right, on the like on the digital you, your own character. AI can do that, right? Let me show you an example, right? See me here. Like, take a good look at this now. Look at this. This is me, but this is me on this is a character of me on the online space. Do you understand? It's AI that created this. I don't have this chair. I don't have this chair now. Look at the environment. That is the thing. Like, if you're still creating content manually, don't really apply this. Like, people using AI will beat you on this. Now, the second set of people that AI is going to replace is people that are still editing videos frame by frame, writing captions line by line, right, and designing everything from scratch while AI does it all. See, you see all of these titles and stuff. I started it in my head, and I told AI to advance it, make it in such a way that it will give more value to people and stuff. You get? So please don't just be doing all of it. Don't say no. I prefer my authenticity. I prefer my authenticity. Saying I prefer my authenticity is just like you saying I prefer to travel like with leg instead of using car. That's the same thing I'm hearing. That's the same thing I'm hearing. So please, you're part of these people. Start leveraging AI. Good. Now number three and number four goes the same, right? So social media manager who only posts, right? Number four is you know how to upload content but can't create AI ads, right? Create ad creatives and automate growth. Like let me show you this ad creative I did with AI, completely with AI, right? To show you guys. Let me just like see it. I posted it on my Twitter.
You want to create AI videos that blow up on the internet? Let me show you the G4G AI Hub. It's a learning community where we teach you how to ideate, build, and publish stunning AI-powered videos.
Want to learn AI video generation? Sign up to G4G AI Hub. Take your skills.
That you see, like, you understand what I mean now. You understand what I mean now. Now the fifth set of people that AI is going to fry are graphic designers. How many times did I call you? Please calm yourself down. Graphic designers have so much ego. I don't know. I'm a graphic designer too. Please, graphic designer, you have so much ego. Calm down. Bro, leverage on AI tools. Please humble yourself before the Lord, and He's going to lift you up, right? You understand what I mean? Please learn how to use these AI tools. They are tools that can advance your work and fast your work, right? People don't want to waste time. People are going to go to those people that can deliver the job fast, deliver the job crispy and well, and AI can do that. Please, now graphic designers, please don't think that AI is cheating. I beg you, don't think that AI is cheating. All boils down to value. Value is the agenda, right? Value is the outside factor, like the outputs of what they want, right? So if you can do whatsoever, use whatsoever leverage, right? Is it just to give your client value? That is all that matters, right? What you use to give them value doesn't matter, right? As far as it's ethically, right? So you get what I mean. Number seven, video editors who only cut clips, right? You just cut clips. I'm even guilty of this, right? There are AI platforms that you can just put your video and it's going to literally cut all those right, that I'm literally making in these videos, right? Sometimes, right? Yeah. So it's going to cut those videos for you to make your work faster, make your input output ratio faster. You understand? You guys don't use AI video generation. You guys don't use AI prompts, like motion prompts. You guys don't use automation, right? You just timeless burnout. You're tired, right? You walk while you're tired. Instead of you using car to go to where you want to go, you're using bicycle, right? You understand? You're not using the very big leverage. Some people are using jets to go to where they want to go, same place you want to go. Some people are using jets to reach there. Some I'm even using rockets. So you get the point, right? So please try and understand that these things are going to affect you, right? If you don't start to learn or leverage AI, right? Now number 9 and 10, freelancers who sell time, not systems, right? If you're a freelancer, please use AI to create a roadmap, right? A roadmap of your work, so that you just, let's say, like templates, you understand, using templates to like do your work, so that you just put people change certain things. There's one of my friend that is very good with AI code, right? Vibe coding and stuff, right? So you just have templates for website, different forms of website. So if new clients come, all he has to do is just change the branding, change everything, change certain specifications of the clients, right? And then doesn't need to start all over again. You get what I mean? Charge systems, right? Like, you understand, just leverage systems, right? Instead of charging per hour, working timeless. You understand? Leverage AI. Just, let me tell you, people Human beings just need value, they just need the outcome, the output. They are not interested in whatsoever, howsoever you do it. They're just interested in what they get, the output, the result. That's what they're interested in. So leverage AI. 11. Oh my god. 11. Marketers who doesn't understand AI ads, right? They are still running basic ads, right? While AI optimized creatives outperform them at scale, right? See, I'll recommend you to join the G4G AI Hub, right? Now that is my own particular hub, the G4G AI Hub. It's going to teach you guys how to create AI ads, right? Like the ad you just saw, right? It's going to also teach you guys how to search your competitors, right? What are your competitors creating? Which one is an AI ad? You understand? You can use AI to create ad creative, different forms of ad creative, right? You can, like, example, create your own self, right? Talking, reading certain scripts like accurately, right? Train your own voice. A lot of things. You get people that are using AI, guys, are out performing you, and that is the thing. That is why I say AI is going to replace you, right? Get the point. I recommend you join G4G AI Hub, right? It's a hub where I teach you guys AI ad creation and 2 bits of content creation with AI, right? But it's mainly focused on marketers, right? Creating ad for business, creating ad for themselves, right? Targeting business to make money in return. That thing, business owner who outsource everything, right? They don't understand AI, so they control cost, speed, and innovation, right? See, instead of going to Google and search salon near me, let's say I have a salon, then I'm going to search salon near me, then Google is going to reveal all the salon that, some of the salon near you, and then you go to manually search. You can literally just go to Gemini, right? And then let's say copy your own WhatsApp, your own website link, post it there, and then tell Gemini that this is my own website, right? I have a salon, right? I want you to list out, let's say, 50 salons that are near me. List all of them, list all of the things that they have that I don't have, and based on the data you have, create for me something, right? Create for me my own advantage, right? That I can go into the market with. Can you see how you can research? Can you see how you can, instead of outsourcing everything yourself, right? Do you see how you can use AI for speed research, so you can go into the market faster, you understand, and then innovate? So there's a lot of other ways you can do this. There's a lot of other ways. Please, I just want you to know that this is possible with AI, and people using AI will outperform you. That is the goal of this video, right? So subscribe to the channel, like the video if you're getting value. 15. Employee who thinks loyalty equals to security. AI doesn't care about loyalty, it cares about efficiency. See, no matter how long you've been in an industry, right? But when it comes to efficiency, people can sack you. Like, your boss can literally sack you just to put someone that is going to make the business move forward, right? So don't be so loyal to what is working, right, that you forget that it's going to change. One of my mentors told me this. Yeah, don't be so loyal to what is working presently, right, that you forget that it's going to change. You understand? So life changes, everything changes, right? So just put in the back of your mind, these are things that you should be aware of, right? So that it's going to propel your 2026, right? Learn AI efficiently and then be productive with AI. So please don't be so emotional and be sentimental to think that you're not going to, like, you have security because of your stayed long in some place and your work and people know you, right? You're old, yeah, OG. Please don't do that. 17. Student learning outdated skills, studying tools and methods the market is already abandoning, right? If I was the president of my country, I'm going to scrap out a lot of things that we are wasting our time teaching children, teaching students, right? Things that people that the global world have left behind. So please, if you're a student, please don't learn outdated skills. Don't learn skills that people are not going to pay you for. That's just the whole, like, let me simplify it. Don't learn things that people are not going to pay you for. You're learning typewriter now. You're learning how to typewrite now. Come on. You're learning graphic design now. Like, you can learn the basics, you can learn the principles, right? But you're learning graphic design now. You're learning how to code now. When there's vibe coding, right? You get what I mean? So I hope you do. 19 and 20, last but not the least, at least, watch AI, not use it, right? Consume AI content daily and not apply any. It's going to be it's overwhelming, it's overwhelming, right? Watching all of this AI news, AI whatsoever, this and that. Picking the particular skill, right? Picking the particular thing that will help you push the needle, right? Will help you move your car, move to your goals, right? To help you, like, transfer value, right? Is one of the challenging things presently. So please don't just be consuming AI content without using it. Now, in the part 2 of this video, we're going to talk about, right, if you don't learn these AI skills now, you'll be watching others win in 2026. Please, if you got value from this video, I want me to continue this roadmap, because there's a lot of roadmap, there's a lot of things I'm going to teach you, right? There's a lot of things you can see here. You can see this other side. There's a lot of roadmap that we're going to teach you guys, and if you're interested in that, please comment on the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also if you're interested in joining my own team, joining my own community, right, you can join the G4G AI Hub. The links go to the description of this video. Teach you things about AI, going deep into AI, using AI to create automated channels and stuff like that. You get just AI. See you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye for now.